SG18 LXC. He's on his phone, I think. Mr. YOK. Very bad. Very bad. So he did grab the phone. The phone was playing some kind of social media video. I could see Arabic script and I could see a video playing on his phone, which was resting on the seat between his legs, and he then picked it up and hit it and hit the window in his shock and fear, completely unaware of what's going on around him.